Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't love me anymore. I knew it would happen this way. I can tell by the way you smile and fix your hair. There's no thought of me there. So many days have passed since I made love to you last. Sky overhead isn't blue, but I'm blue over you. When I think of the way it used to be, me loving you and you loving me, you know it kinda makes me want to cry, realizing that our love has died. So many days have passed since I made love to you last. The sky overhead isn't blue, but I'm blue over you. Every night I come out to this bar, sitting here wondering where you are, drowned in my sorrows and my beer. Here's to you, wishing you were here. So many days have passed since I made love to you last. Sky overhead isn't blue, but I'm blue over you. Sky overhead isn't blue, but I'm blue over you. Friendly Crossings, take 6. Would you like to come with me to Friendly Crossings? It's a place where there's a lot to see. We can walk through the wilds and be free. Where the world stops at 5 o'clock and we get off at Friendly Crossing. Escape for a few days and partake in the ways of Friendly Crossing.
Feel my hands through your hair.
stops at 5 o'clock and we get off at friendly crossings. Escape for a few days and partake in the ways of friendly crossing. I will love you there. Feel my hands through your hair. Close your eyes and we are there. Close your eyes and we are there. This is a song called Your Mind Is Your Mind. It's a song that my wife Susan wrote. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know what it's like to have a dream all crushed and broken. As I sit and think of you, I wish I'd never spoken. I picked all your dreams apart and now I realize, I understand, your mind is your mind. I can't lock your mind up with only thoughts of me. If I want to keep you, then I'll have to let you dream. Your mind is a gift to me, and now I realize I have no right. Your mind is your mind. We talked about the senseless things from A to Z. Talked about life and being free. And then you told me that there was someone you had to go see. What's wrong with me?